this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you use Cash App saving features. In order to use the Cash App saving feature, navigate to your money section. So what you need to do is first you have to make sure that you already have a Cash App account, and from the home page, what you need is a physical card. You need is from the savings account home page, or you just need to access the savings by tapping the money tab on the main page. Here it is, money tab right in center. After which, what you need is there from the page, you could look for a savings account with a vault icon, and from the savings account page, select the transfer options. Choose to transfer your Cash App balance or link bank account, and input the desired amount to move your savings as well. After which, you want to complete the transfer to add funds to your savings, and that is how you could use Cash App saving features. So this is the simplest way you could use it. So, and likewise, if you have any sort of issues or trouble, you will always contact the support team and they'll be available 24/7. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.